In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for jobs on LinkedIn abroad. If you're looking for opportunities in another country, LinkedIn can be a great place to start because it helps you discover companies based in the location you're targeting. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple way to narrow your search so you can focus on employers in the country or city where you want to work. To begin, open LinkedIn and make sure you're on the main feed page. This is the standard home screen where you can access the platform's main search tools. Starting from the feed is useful because the search bar is easy to find and gives you quick access to different types of results. Next, click into the search bar at the top of the page. This is where you'll enter the type of role you're interested in. You can use a broad job title if you're still exploring, or something more specific if you already know what kind of work you want. Now type in a job example, such as engineer, and press enter. This will bring up search results related to that keyword. At this stage, LinkedIn may show a mix of content, including people, posts, jobs, and companies. That's normal, and the next step is what helps you refine the search for international job hunting. From the results page, click on companies. This is an important step because instead of only looking at job listings, you're identifying companies connected to your target role. When you're just searching for jobs abroad, finding the right companies can be just as valuable as finding open positions, since you can explore their hiring pages and learn more about their presence in different countries. After that, click on locations. This filter helps you narrow the company search to a specific place. It's especially helpful if you already know which country, region, or city you want to focus on. Then select your desired location. Choose the country or area where you want to work abroad. Try to be as accurate as possible because the location filter will shape the results you see and make your search much more relevant. Once you've selected the location, click on Show Results. LinkedIn will then update the company search based on both your job keyword and the location you selected. From there, you can start reviewing companies that match your interests in the market you want to enter. This is a simple but effective way to begin searching for jobs abroad on LinkedIn by focusing on the right employers in the right location.